Addressing the National Energy Conservation Day celebration in New Delhi today, President Draupadi Murmu has said that energy conservation will play a crucial role in combating the challenges of climate change and global warming. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today gave a clarion call to all MPs that everyone should be involved in events related to G20 as it is India's program and not a government program. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has called for a de-escalation in the tension between India and China. The spokesperson to UN Secretary General Stephen Dujarric made the remarks when he was asked to comment on the issue during the press briefing yesterday. The government has approved a large revival package of 1,64,000 crore rupees for revival of BSNL. In the FIFA World Cup, the second semi-final will be played between France and Morocco tonight at 12:30 am Indian time. The final will be played on Sunday.